Well, when disposing of automatic transmission oil, I always insert an L pipette to remove any remaining oil from the bottom of this carter. When a lot of oil comes out, I immediately inserted this pipette. And after that, this pipette will remove itself remaining oil at the bottom of the carter. The kilometer for this car is still 29,000. So, just make a check. If the kilometer has run 50,000, this automatic transmission oil line must be flushed. To fill it, we put the oil in from here. Okay, the oil is still coming out. Let's wait for the oil at the bottom of this carter to run out. After the oil has run out, remove the pipette. So friends, you can see, I made the pipette length L like this. Next, close the oil drain hole again with the ball. We are getting ready to put in new oil. The specification for automatic transmission oil are ATF oil type Dextron 3 or T4. And for how to enter it, friends, you can see how it's done like this. Fill according to the previous disposal portion. So, the amount of oil removed is the same as the amount of oil added. For accuracy, later we will measure the oil level according to the dipstick needle. While waiting for the process of adding new ATF oil, we also drain and change the engine oil. This is the perfect moment. The oil change is done when the engine is cool. The engine oil has been drained. And I also removed the engine oil filter. Wipe the oil filter housing unting clean. Continue. Prepare and install a new engine oil filter. For engine oil, we use 3.5 liter Daihatsu synthetic 5W30 oil. Fill a little oil into the new filter first. Lubricate the rubber seal with oil. After that, install the oil filter tightly and correctly. Oh yes, the drain bowl is also installed. Don't forget. Back up. Pull it out and wipe dry the engine oil dipstick. After that, put the dipstick back into position. Add new engine oil. Don't put all the oil in. Fill in gradually. While filling, you can check the oil level on the dipstick. For final accuracy, I see the oil level here. I set it a little more than the full limit. I made it like this because I had to change the oil filter. Okay, after the engine oil and transmission oil have all been filled, we immediately start the engine. The engine is on. Let the engine warm up until the radiator fan turns on. After that, we play with the position of the transmission gear. This aims to ensure that the transmission oil can lubricate all area of the gearbox. The engine oil must be evenly lubricated and fill the oil filter section. So, if you check it tomorrow morning before starting the engine oil level on dipstick will definitely be right at the full limit. Okay, that's enough. Just stay in neutral. Now we check the transmission oil level. Oh yes, the engine remains on. We will set the transmission oil level to the hot limit. Remove the transmission oil dipstick. Look, the oil level has not yet reached the hot limit. We add more automatic transmission oil. We'll check again. Well, this is just right, friends. I set the transmission oil level to this limit. In final hot position, friends. Okay, that's all for now. Hopefully, this video can be useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you later.